Hello everyone and welcome to another video recipe. On today's recipe, we're making coconut macaroons. Coconut macaroons is a recipe that I've been trying to master for the past few months, and in this video I'll show you all the possible combinations and flavors so that you can get the best coconut cookies that are chewy and crunchy on the outside. With that said, let's get all the ingredients and start making the coconut cookies. To prepare this recipe we need 1 whole coconut, 1 egg white, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Here is a super easy way how to crack it. You just get a knife and start hitting it while you're spinning the coconut. Eventually the coconut will break. You don't even need to apply that much pressure. Carefully use a knife to scrape all the coconut out. Using a grater or a knife, grate the coconuts as finely as possible. The coconut will serve as the flour of the recipe, which will bring all the ingredients together. I was too lazy to grate my coconuts finely, so I'm doing them on the medium cut. The medium grater will still work fine, but for best results, use the smaller ones. After we're done grating the coconut, put it in a glass bowl. Mix in the sugar, the egg white, and the butter. Make sure all the ingredients are room temperature. If you'd like the cookies to be more airy, make sure to beat the egg whites before mixing them in. After mixing for a while and everything has come together, let's grab a baking pan with parchment paper and put our coconut cookies there. This recipe will yield about 4 coconut cookies. We are going to preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then bake the cookies for about 30 minutes. And this is how you make this delicious cookie. Don't forget to check my Instagram page, Julio Cooks, where I post other recipes and restaurant reviews. Make sure to subscribe below and I'll see you on the next video.